We live in the greatest democracy in the world, and everybody thinks that in order to get justice, they have to hire a lawyer at like $500 an hour. But it's not true if you learn how to use the system. That's right. There's free legal help from government offices on almost anything that happens to you. And these government offices are more powerful than your attorney that you're going to hire, because they could probably put these people out of business. So anybody messes you over, like you have somebody fix up your sink in your kitchen, and they screw it up or whatever and things like that. Man, you can call a state office, that will investigate that person for you for free. Your insurance company doesn't pay a claim or something, and you call that insurance company, and it's just mega buck insurance company, and they put you on hold and they say, well, didn't you see paragraph C, section D? We don't pay claims. We're the premium company. What do you think we are? So how do you fight somebody that big? Do you hire an attorney at $200 an hour? No, because their attorneys are more practiced at this than your attorney will ever be. And it's probably your brother-in-law or something like that is doing you a favor and going to send a letter to you. No, you call a government office that's going to contact that insurance company for you. Right. And what happens is when they contact the insurance company, a government office does, that letter gets attention. Because if they mess up dealing with the government, they not only lose your business, which they lost it already, they could lose all their business because they get a license from the government to do business. So they don't want to mess that up. So it becomes cheaper for them to give you $500 or $1,000, whatever you're messing with, instead of arguing with the government and maybe lose. It's sort of like if the IRS sends you a letter for it. Well, you owe, $36, and you better pay. You're probably going to send the IRS that $36, even if they're wrong, because you just don't want to mess with it. See, and that's what businesses do. They don't want to mess with the government. So you could use it like that. And we're all regulated like that. I mean, that's the good side of regulation is you as a consumer can use it. Your credit card company. Man, so if they're messing you around, you call up your state banking authority and you find out who regulates that credit card company. You send them a letter, and man, what happens is you get the attention, and probably win because they just don't want to mess, with your Peasley little, $2,000 or whatever it is, and it becomes easier to pay you off. See, everybody's like that. Your dry cleaner, your accountant, even your lawyer. You realize that every state capital has a fund of money, for lawyers that run off with your money. I mean, it's amazing that we even have to have that. There's even free legal help if you get audited, right? So you don't have to hire an attorney if you even get audited. There's free legal help. So the whole thing is learning how to use the system. Where do you start? A good place to start is just contact your capital operator. So like if you're a fitness instructor messes you over, you call the state capital and say, hey, who regulates my fitness instructors? That's where you file a complaint. Whether it's your fitness instructor, your bank, your credit card company, insurance company, anybody. So get the justice you deserve. That's what America is about.